Rich DeMuro here, Rich on Tech, with a very exciting gadget, the OnePlus Watch. This sells for $159, and it could be a really nice Android companion. So I'm going to open this box, but full disclosure, I have opened this box before, but I wanted you to see what this watch looks like when the face is on. So there it is. We'll get to the watch in just a moment, but let's see what else we've got inside the box. Got this little pull tab here. We've got some instructions that I generally never read, and then we've got our little power adapter under here, and you can see the power adapter. Okay, there's where it connects to the phone or the watch. It kind of just lays in there. It's got some magnets to help it kind of center itself on the watch. Let's put that in there so you can see it. So there you go. And it's got this standard USB connector, and it's going to charge your watch pretty fast. I'll talk more about that a little bit later. All right, so let's move all of this stuff away so that we can get to what you really want to see, which is the OnePlus Watch. Again, $159, and you might be thinking, well, Rich, it must not have something for that price. But from what I can tell, this watch really does offer it all at that price point. So 46 millimeter case, you can see they went with a round watch face and a round case. You can see how thick it is there on the side. It doesn't feel very bulky on my arm so far, or on my wrist, I should say. You can see kind of the bezel on the screen. It's got a nice big screen there. This is the Symmetry watch face. And on this side of the device, you can see there is a little speaker grill set up, so you can make and receive your phone calls on there. And on this side, you've got two buttons. This is a little button that says OnePlus, and the other one does not say anything. And I'm guessing that's the microphone right there. Now on the back, you've got all of your sensors, plus your charging connectors, and another little sensor there. This has 4 gigs of onboard storage. So 2 are available to you, which means you can load your own music onto this device. OnePlus says that 2 gigs is going to be good for about 500 songs. And of course, there is Bluetooth on it, so you can connect a Bluetooth pair of headphones or earbuds and use that to listen to your music and also take your calls. And you can see they went with a nice quick release on the straps here, so you can use different straps that you find. This included one is it's kind of rubbery. It's got a nice little design on here, and I'm digging it. I mean, this is a really elegant looking watch. It's nice. It's blends into things, whether you're active or whether you're going to work with it. So I really like that. And again, I think I mentioned this, but that's the Symmetry watch face. That's the one that I'm allowed to show you right now. So there will be more in my full review. That's why I'm not showing you everything, because this is just sort of an unboxing and a quick hands-on here. All right, so let me talk about the power. This has about a 400 milliamp hour battery, which quick charges. Now, OnePlus says it's going to last about 2 weeks, up to 2 weeks. Now, I think that that's if you're not an active user. So if you're using the GPS on this device, if you're running a lot, or if you're using a lot of the fitness features, you'll probably get less battery life. They say probably about a week in that case, but you can charge this thing up pretty quick. You can get a day's worth of power in 5 minutes and a week's worth of power in 20 minutes. And of course, the full 2 weeks is going to take a little bit longer. It also has IP68, water and dust resistance, so you can use this in the water. You can sweat. It's going to, be fine for your workouts, which is really nice. It tracks over 100 different types of workouts, and it's going to automatically track certain workouts like jogging and running, which it's the feature I really like on my Apple Watch. When I start walking or running, it'll say, after like 10 minutes, it'll say, hey, we noticed that you're running. Do you want to record that workout? And you don't want to miss those active minutes. So yes, you can do that. And because of that long battery life, you can wear this to bed and track your sleep as well. And, so I mentioned it has built-in GPS, so it's got that, which is really nice. It's got built-in blood oxygen detection, so you can, do that. It's got stress detection. It's got your breathing detection. It's got rapid heart rates. It's also going to tell you when you've been sitting for too long. So, if you're at work, sitting, working from home like me, you get those little alerts that say, hey, we've noticed you've been sitting for a while. Do you want to stand up? And so you've got that as well. So there's the entire watch. Like I said, I have very high hopes for this thing because it's $159, which is a really nice price point, and you're getting all the features you need. So it's got a bunch of the apps built in that you want to use, like all the different features. You know, you're not going to get third-party apps as far as I know right now because they're using their own system. But, you know, I don't think you need them necessarily. It's got everything you need to connect to your phone. OnePlus Watch, there you have it, a quick look. It'll be available April 14th for $159. I will have a full hands-on review very soon. But again, there's the back of the device. You can see how slick it is there. And if you have any questions about this, leave them in the comments. I will do my best to investigate and answer. And of course, I will have a full hands-on very soon along with a review. Thanks so much for watching. Rich DeMuro here, Rich on Tech, taking a look at the OnePlus Watch. If you like this video, give it the thumbs up or share it with a friend. Take care.